एक साल पहले आज हम मिले मशाल, एक साल पहले आज हम मिले।
आज
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 एक साल पहले आज
एक साल पहले आज
यार कल
हमें एक साल हो गए मिलके। When I just landed on Goa airport, I met Hemang and Albert, and after that we went out. We met Karthik and Kurian. Yes. So I was like, I like your covers, man. Kurian was like, okay.
I didn't come to the airport and meet any of them. I was with the other guys.
And we plotted it in that way because we want to see how you're going to deal with that level of training and also how you're going to perform in these sessions. There's going to be vocal training every day.
I don't think I was friends with anyone of these when I got to the boot camp. I knew Korean from Instagram and one little bit.
Shane used to copy my content before the boot
Bro,
camp.
it's not like you used to make some crazy shit.
Bro, crazy
You used
shit.
to just sit and sing. So I was like, okay, that went viral.
Shane
I'm
used to
just
go
sing
through my
that.
account and check what was working on my account and then copy that. Yeah.
And then he came to the boot camp and he was like silent as hell.
The first three
The
days.
first, yeah. So the first day I just said hi, and then we were like sitting and jamming, all of us, all 12 of us. And then Kurian was sitting beside me. He was just sitting.
Yeah, in a random t-shirt and boxers.
Every day, walking with a warm heart and a cool head.
Bro, priorities, bro. Is there a procedure for laundry?
Bro, इतना explanation, इतनी बातें हुई उसके बाद पूछता.
लॉन्ड्री क्या होता था वहाँ पे? मैं बाथटब में अपने कपड़े धुलता था. मैंने लिटरली हर्षित से बोल के सर्फ एक्सेल ऑर्डर किया था.
है.
और फिर मैं बाथटब में कपड़े धुलता था.
In few years, Indian fashion is already doing really great. So stick to it.
Bro, मन में सोचा भाई नहीं भाई नहीं.
Is this the first dance class?
No,
Shit.
not the first.
हाँ, the first वाला जो
This is the first, bro. Yeah. Oh, boom, pap, boom, boom.
भाई भाई. This is the first group
Yeah.
session. This is divided in A and B.
Yeah.
Bro, मैं downbeat नहीं कर पा रहा था यार तो. हाँ.
होता ही नहीं.
Bro, मैं boxers में क्या कर रहा है क्लास में?
Bro, fridge खाली भी हो गया.
Second day के third day.
What? So,
Third day bro, third day में fridge खाली हो गया था.
that's crazy. Oh, bro.
ये दिन
I got your famous sticker from your.
No, not this.
Yeah, this only.
Oh yeah.
You'll see.
It is this.
Yeah.
Bro, this day was fun.
घर के बाहर निकले भाई. घर के बाहर निकले पता चला.
Bro, Mashal's running barefoot.
यार कैसे भाई टाइल की?
Bro, उसके पैर में पत्थर गया ना?
हाँ.
Oh shit.
Literally when I fell right that time. This? Thank God I missed this. You missed it? Yeah, I missed it.
Abhi, bro, look at that. Crazy. I've made a sticker of that Bhuvan emote.
Bro, who told me to do that? उसने ऐसे कर दिया.
What is that, bro?
It's a heart. Someone told me to do that. That's the first time.
That was Bhuvan's boot camp villager personality.
अरे यार.
Bro is a passionate singer, bro.
भाई.
Bro, look at his hands, bro.
मुझे सांस नहीं आ रही थी भाई इस टाइम.
I couldn't breathe. That was
This was peak.
that was a good Korean performance.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah, it made all of us cry. I think all of us cried.
Yeah.
That's
Maybe
my
except
superpower,
Mashal.
guys.
So we did busking and we made two teams. Hemang and me were in one, and the three of them were in another, the bad one. And then
Bro, you are the only one because of that birthday party.
Yeah.
so you choose
Yeah.
you choose your clients smartly.
Exactly, bro.
Bro, हमें इंडियन लोग ज़्यादा पैसे दे रहे थे.
We performed and what?
Oh, there was this uncle.
There was this, yeah, there was that, there was this.
Bro, there was this uncle. He was giving us advice on how to sing.
What the hell?
So we performed, and then after our performance, obviously we need to earn money because that's how you win. So after the performance, we were like, So if you have anything to give us, and then he gave us advice.
Yeah, that was so random, bro. And he took like 10 minutes of our time.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's the.
This is the birthday party. This is
Bro,
where
your
we,
team had both the 17
this is where we earned the most money.
Oh, that's why you guys were happy.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, bro, after this we didn't do anything.
Look at us, bro. Look at us.
How sad. This is good though.
Bro, every time you played to someone,
Oh,
Oh, ये step यार है और.
bro, with this. Oh, this is traumatizing.
Oh.
This is traumatizing. We had to kick our. What? Bro. ऐसा लग रहा है मैं वो ट्रैक्टर चला रहा हूँ bro. Bro, we had to do that one step 100 times, and I got so mad that day. Aye, hey.
oh my god.
Oh my god.
Silly dilly.
Bhuvan. Bhuvan, every performance, bro. Bhuvan, tell him.
It somehow made them laugh.
Tell them about your step, bro.
What? I just did that and
Why did you choose that step?
I just did. I used to do this.
No, over here he invented it.
Wow,
And he
yeah.
later utilized it.
I'm pretty sure I performed like bad in almost every performance.
Wow, that was yeah.
Next content is.
Damn bro.
क्या था bro ये?
पता नहीं क्या था.
Things we do.
Bro, पर ये जीत गया था दे.
कूद क्यों रहा है? So we went for haircuts and we.
Why we went for a haircut? So I wanted a haircut, so I put a story that I'm going to cut my own hair, and they were like, please don't, we're going to take you to a barber.
Wow.
And then, yeah. But I knew they would take me to a barber, so I put the story up.
So all my traumas because of you.
Bro, for some reason the barber shaved off Shayan's eyebrows.
Why would you shave off an
Bro,
eyebrow?
bro.
I thought we went for a
I
haircut, bro.
went
didn't
okay.
put a shave, like-
We went to a nice place. Okay, it was like in some hotel, and we were like, damn.
It was supposed to be the best
It was
place in
it was
Goa.
like a resort and all. So we were just like roaming around. And then we went to the like salon,
Oh, you remember?
which was in the hotel, which was really cool.
Voting करने गए थे.
And I was like excited only, and then I was like, okay, he probably knows his like shit. I was just sitting. He was cutting my hair, and then randomly he took like the the machine, like the trimmer thingy, and I thought he's gonna like cut my sides. He just went like this
My God.
without any warning.
Monk was nice.
Himang did a
We
middle
didn't
part.
like it though. But
No. He liked it.
Bro, no one liked the haircut, bro.
Yeah.
Mashal's haircut was the best.
But I didn't like my eyebrows though.
Yeah, everyone freaked out when Michelle entered, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, it was such a fade. There was nothing here. Literally nothing.
Because there was nothing
And
there.
it was like this. My first roommate was Akhil, and my second roommate was Albert.
Wow. Bro,
Feeling
Bhuvan used to
it.
always complain to me and he said that, bro, Albert हर दिन मेरे को उठाता है, bed fold कराता है मेरा.
No, Bedford नहीं कराता था. But the thing is, my man had 5-6 alarms. Like 5:30, 5:35, 5:45, 6:15. Oh my god. Like,
The transition.
It was me.
The transition from Kurin to Akshay, I realized how unhealthy Kurin was.
The transition from Mashal to Adhyana, I realized
नहीं realized.
Adhyan की transition. Bro, Adhyan's bathtub was full of clothes when I entered, bro.
the only thing I liked about the switch was the bathtub.
Bro,
I used to like be there for 1 hour.
You used to sit in the
Bro,
bathtub.
bathtub didn't work on
You
me.
used it.
It worked.
Small,
I
bro.
have a confession.
What?
So when I like switched with Albert said the bathtub doesn't work, but I somehow made it work. But I never said that to him. So he never used the bathtub. Only crazy.
First of all, I had that haircut, and on top of that, she got me pink shorts.
does
That's
anyone
all
know?
she got me.
Does anyone know?
No one knows
Yes.
this. No one knows this.
This is one of
Yeah, let's talk about
Korean's
Shayan's
very
pink
iconic
shots.
poses.
Shayan's pink shots were nice.
I love this outfit. Sono Sharing. Omae wa doko made miete.
Oh, that was good, bro. That was good. We made our vocal teacher listened to Dhinchak Puja.
Boy band is chosen.
So we had a karaoke night and we went for a karaoke night to sing songs with the karaoke playing.
Oh, is that what karaoke is?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
And it was really fun.
And this is down the road, which is like 5 minutes away from my house.
Oh, we met Mashal's family for the first time.
Oh yeah, it was really cute.
Bro, बोल तो देख लेफ्ट में.
Bro, रुक अभी ये राइट में बंद है.
ये कौन है? ये
पता
मशाल
है.
का cousin brother.
अच्छा सॉरी. मैं तो जो रैंडम बंदा है.
That's her son only.
ओह अच्छा.
ये देखो भाई. मोना बीमा चमक चलो. ओ भाई.
अरे यार. Bro श्रीजित को देख.
Bro, oh my god.
कैमरे में देख रही.
Bro, she's like मैं इसके लिए तो नहीं आई. क्या था?
Bro, I don't. What am I supposed to say, bro?
Bro, Shen के eyebrows कहाँ हैं यार? Bro, one thing I noticed was she smiles a lot. Who? Neha. Yeah. So I had to smile, keep smiling. And after the one-on-one with her, my cheeks used to hurt so bad. Okay.
How does smiling hurt though?
Bro, it hurts.
So basically, at the end of each week, we had like a showcase where we had to show whatever we learned in the last week. So this was the first.
This is the second. No, the second that was the.
Oh yeah. But like proper performance, this was the first one. So yeah.
And we all got songs
Yeah.
assigned.
We got songs
Yeah.
assigned which we had to perform.
We could decide one song, and the rest 3 songs were assigned to us.
What? We could decide one song.
Yeah.
That was on third. That's for the last one.
Oh yeah. In this one we didn't have any
In this
options.
one
We
we
had
had
And
assigned
then-
songs which we had to perform.
Everyone like called some guests, also like family or
yeah, it
whatever.
was like a proper.
And apparently the whole faculty had betted on him if he was gonna slide or not.
Yeah, how? I don't get how.
And that was his winning ticket to the boy band.
Yeah, that's the day. That's the day he won.
Who broke the glass after that? Someone broke the glass.
Where did Zuri was?
I don't know. Someone like energetically.
Out of
got
excitement?
it. Yeah. After the slide.
Wow. Bro, हर्षित ने मेरे से seriously पूछा कि तुम्हारा boyfriend है, मैंने बोला मजे कर रहे हैं.
इधर आ तू इधर आ
Bro,
क्या
Bro, I was taken over by my spirit animal.
एल्बर्ट क्या कर रहा है
मशाल लग रहा है.
Bro, Mashal doom scroll कर रहा है background में.
मशाल सर पकड़ के बैठे हैं, क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे?
Mashal reels देख रहा है.
वो तब ब्रो मैं इस बूट कैंप में क्यों आगे इसकी पोएम आ गई.
Oh my god. Skip this. Skip this, please. क्या उसके
तूने एक नोट गाया.
रियाज कर रहा था.
Bro, it was the song.
मेरा नाम हिमांग है.
Bro, इसमें Don't Wanna Close My Eyes.
Oh, ये देखते हैं.
इंजीनियरिंग के अलावा
अरे यार, ये तो मैं पूरा भूल गया था यार स्टेज पे
बैल
जाके.
बुद्धि कहते हैं, क्योंकि मैं कभी उनकी सुनता ही नहीं हूँ.
मैं अंदर
क्या हो रहा है
मैं अंदर पूरा सही कर रहा था भाई.
जो अपनी लिख रहे हो,
स्टेज पे आके सब भूल गया.
इससे तुम्हारा घर नहीं चलेगा बेटा.
भाई मैं रूम में पूरा सही कर रहा था.
ब्रो ये क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे.
भक्ति ने सिखाया था ऐसा मुझे ऐसे पे करना.
ब्रो ये लाइट्स गाना
मैं सब भूल गया.
So we had to. So Dad was like, you know what? You guys need to make a whole music video. So yeah, alright. And we started making a music video. And there was 2 teams. These 4 people plus Albert and me and the rest people.
I think the music video should be in a film festival.
yeah the music video was crazy. Mashal jumped from the first floor.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
He just jumped off.
I jumped for the vibes. It wasn't even necessary.
He just jumped from the first.
Into the pool.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, bro.
Why?
Bro, what is?
Why?
Oh my god.
Bro, ये तो देखो.
Bro, look at Albert. Oh my god.
Bro, क्या करने गया है वो?
Karthik is scared, bro.
कोरियन नहीं देना उसको हाई फाई.
Bro, after this Bhakti ने बोलते bro, Albert when you came at me I got scared.
Yeah. Bro, आया.
Bro, look at Karthik, bro, he's questioning our choice. He's like, bro, इनके लिए flight की book किया bro.
So we have to make a music video for the song.
खुद ही.
Yeah, and what we decided was
Our concept was that each of us were gonna find ourselves in the song.
yeah.
Did we? That's what we planned to do.
Yeah.
What was our concept?
खुद ही को खुद से मिलाने. चला है वो दीवानी.
It's like the five of us had different storylines.
Oh yeah.
Parallel storylines.
No, we had
And at the end,
we had insecurities. Five of us had insecurities and we were supposed to find them or something.
no, it was like the five of us finding ourselves. And like music video के 30% तक तो वो implement हुआ. उसके बाद बस हमने म्यूजिक वीडियो कंप्लीट
जब
किया.
हमने आइडिया सोचा था तब मेरे को
तो याद भी नहीं है हमने आइडिया क्या सोचा था.
तब लग रहा था
क्या कुक कर रहे हैं.
क्या crazy
चलो
music
लेकिन हमने
video
जैसे
होगा.
आइडिया सोचा और हम बाहर आए हमारे रूम से तो हमने देखा कि लिफ्ट
में कोई mattress
लिफ्ट
घुसा है.
में लिफ्ट में देयर इज अ मैट्रेस
Like
और
a
विद अ
mattress.
ब्लैंकेट और कोई सो रहा है खड़ा होके.
ब्लैंकेट के साथ खड़ा है.
एंड देन हमने जैसे वो देखा हमें पता चल गया कि हम हारने वाले हैं.
Our music video concept is that it starts off with the guy in the elevator. It's something weird. Like he's standing and sleeping, and as he wakes up, he has a ring. He wears it, and basically that whoever wears the ring, he sees the world a bit more crazy, or it can be subjective that everyone around him gets crazy, and everyone else know that if they get the ring, that they will become sane. So all the crazy people start chasing behind the rings, and we swap the rings again and again and again and again. That's why we jump off the first floor and all. And in the end, there's like a fight scene and all. And then I swallow the ring, so no one has the ring, and then we all go crazy.
Bro, that's such a cool concept though.
Yeah,
It sounds like Lord of the Rings.
Orange Candy's music videos here.
Of course, उनका आया होगा bro. The whole thing is here. Copyrights नहीं है क्या जब YouTube में डाला?
Oh damn.
Bro क्या crazy है bro.
बहुत अच्छा है.
तो एडिट कैसे किया है इतने सारे पंछी हैं.
हाय हाय.
Oh my god. ओ भाई. अरे भाई.
हमने
याद है?
हाँ bro
हम
यार.
रैंडमली चल रहे थे. ओ भाई ये शॉट.
कितने मजे कर रहे हैं bro हम सब.
बड़ा हैप्पी बैंड ब्रो. याद है हमने क्या सोचा था स्टार्टिंग में शफल रूबस के बोला एंड में हमने
वो
join किया.
प्रिज्म से भुवन दिख रहा है.
वो कूल शॉट था, वो कूल शॉट था.
So the open mic was like my best performance. And
yeah,
I've,
the only-
yeah, the only
good
performance the only good performance I did. And
Sang 3 times.
yeah, I sang 3 times.
Oh, bro, the preparation was crazy. Remember on the house, we were vibing.
Oh yeah.
We were like crazy vibing.
What is preparation?
We can't describe it. We were vibing. We were just vibing, and I was like singing onto the mic in the hall.
I was guitar was like on the amp and I was like, I was going crazy. And like, he was also going crazy.
I'm going crazy. It was nice.
So like, I made shits again, and like we had to pick the names for the final act.
We had to like
Yeah, the
we have to
sequence.
pick the chit for the next person.
Yeah. So basically, when the first person went, he was looking at someone, and when he picked, how did it go? Like
I don't remember who.
Some people call out names.
I don't remember who.
So the first guy came in, and he picked his shit, done, and his like Neha asked him, who do you think is next?
So that person was looking at the person, and he picked that person straight up.
Yeah.
And literally the same person.
The
came.
same person was
And then the
next.
second guy came in, and he did the same thing. He was looking at the person who he wanted, and he got his shit.
Yeah.
Literally with everyone it happened. Like we were looking at the person, and we got that shit.
Like 1 to 10. Every
Like we opened the shit and it's literally the person who we're looking at.
Yeah.
And it was crazy.
Yeah, exactly.
That was actually like so for my performance. My so we had 3 songs. Okay, one I took I Want to Break Free, and then one was a Yellow Diary song, and one Rose Rose, and then one was a dance song, which I forgot which it was. But basically, so first I went to sing Rose Rose, okay, and I sang the first line, and then I couldn't remember the second line, and then I couldn't remember the third line either, and I couldn't remember the whole song, so I just sang one line. I sang the same line in different tunes.
Wow.
and Rose, so I mean I sang 2 lines. Rose Rose aate ho, आँखें चुराते हो, रोज रोज आते हो, आँखें bro. And Ayushman sitting in front of me, and everyone sitting in front of me, and this was the final showcase. This is like the showcase, and after this it's like the selection of who is in the top 5, and then I do that.
Bro, Ayushman was there, and I had to sing the song, which was by Anup Jain and EP. Both of them were his artists, and it was a Punjabi song. I didn't know Punjabi at all, so basically I couldn't remember the lyrics. I couldn't even learn it. So what Mashal did, he brought me a huge chart paper and a marker, and we made teleprompters for me. Like we wrote the lyrics, and like everyone was holding one of them. And yeah, so basically the first line was written on one side, and then the second line was on the opposite side, so you had to flip it. So Vidit was holding one of them, and it was like, it was going very smooth. It was like I sang like 4 lines, and it was like very smooth. Nobody noticed. I think 1 or 2 people did, but then Vidit, when his turn came to flip the chart paper, I asked him to flip, and he started dancing.
Bro, these guys left at like 7 in the morning, and I live in Goa only, you know. So they were like, you know what, have breakfast with us. I had breakfast. I thought they booked a cab, and I asked Harshit, where's the cab? He's like, okay, I'm booking. He booked. I thought he booked, and then 2 hours later I asked him again, where's the cab?
No way, so you were just chilling at home, bro.
1 o'clock I left.
Why? What? Hey, Mashal was just alone at the.
I'm right here, bro. I reached after you all, bro.
Alright guys, that was us in the boot camp, and honestly I can't believe that it's been 1 year since the boot camp happened, and
Our lives changed so much.
And we're grateful for all of you who have been supporting us
Since the boot camp.
since the day 1.
And we just want to give a shout out to Mogvilla.
Shout out.
Mogwilla, outstation, signing off.